Hi guys, it's Daddy. Today is January 11th and we had a big blizzard last night. So I thought you'd like to see this. Let's go. Daddy shoveled this whole way just for fun. Look at my long path. Boy, it took me a long time to get all the way down through there. I don't really have to shovel it because they have a little big machine coming over to clear off the sidewalk pretty soon, but I thought I'd just do it for fun. Look how long it is. I was looking for Bunny, but I can't find him. Isn't this great? All this way. Woohoo! Took me about, gosh, a half an hour maybe. Look at all the lovely snow. See how far? And I'll show you Crashy. There's Crashy right there. Hey Crashy, how you doing? Great! What are we doing today? Are we gonna go see Sam and Pete? No, not today, Crashy. But hopefully sometime soon. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll shovel this. And I gotta clear off the steps. Woo! What a lovely day. Look at the beautiful snow. Uh-oh, I can hear the wind. Do-do-do. All that way. Well, today's January 11th, and it was 4 months ago exactly today, I think, that I hugged you, that I last hugged you, and it's been 4 months, and 4 months went by, and it went by faster. It seems to have gone by pretty fast, but it was going slow while we were waiting for it. But now we have 4 months to go until May, and then I'll be seeing you again, and I can't wait. I want to say I love you, and see this, I've got pictures of you on my walls, and just my stuff, and that's about all I have to say. So I hope you're having a great day. I'll put this on the website today. Bye bye.